Leaders of a Lewiston nonprofit say they'll have to close in June if something can't be done to stop flooding.
Yeah, take a look at this video. This is from March. You can see that water right up to the building there, which was gutting the inside.
CBS 13's Mel Meyer took this issue to state and turnpike officials and found what seems to be the problem.
I wake up in the night worried constantly.
Lisa Rodriguez dreads days like these.
It rained this morning. Guess what I did? I drove right up back there to make sure we hadn't gotten flooded again.
This was in March.
Thank God he put the sandbags there this time.
The Share Center keeps valuable items out of landfills and puts them into the hands of teachers, families, and children who need them. Because of this, they can't take donations.
I've had to put everything on pallets.
The building's owner tells us he's been working with the city and has taken steps to try and help. Have you reached out directly to the city to get answers about why this is happening?
I have.
In a statement, the city said the runoff issue starts from the turnpike, and a neighboring building was built to prepare for stormwater flows. We called the Turnpike Authority, which wasn't aware of the issue. After our call, they discovered a partially blocked culvert under abandoned railroad tracks. They believe that's what's contributing to the backups.
It's probably rushing right inside our doors.
The city says it can't address this issue since a pipe is privately owned, so it needs to be repaired or replaced by the property owner.
We can't stay in this building with the risk of flooding at a moment's notice.
Rodriguez says they're going to need a lot of help if they have to move. If you're not able to find a spot, could that be the end of...
This could be the end of Share Center. It'll be a very sad day for so many people.
In Lewiston, Mel Meyer, CBS 13 News.